So what we're going to make tonight is a martini, an absolute classic. If there was ever going to just be one cocktail, I would say the dry martini wins hands down. But the core ingredients are gin or vodka, blanco, white, vermouth, either a garnishing with a lemon or olive. Tanqueray is my hands down favourite. This is really good. And always remember that gin, in essence, is vodka, but it's infused with botanicals. And there's many different variations. It's become a real craftsmanship now in the way they do gin. In essence, the key botanicals are juniper berries. My favourite martini is with Tanqueray, the Noilly Prat Vermouth. So it's going to be 2.5 shots of the gin, half a shot of the vermouth. There's a lot of speculation around how much vermouth you put in the gin cocktail. And some people just essentially edge the glass with the vermouth as a flavouring, and in essence it's the gin that is the core thing in this. For the glass, it is a classic martini glass. To garnish this, I always use a pitted queen olive. And when we talk about the many different variations of martinis, there's so many different many. You can have what you call a dirty martini. That's where you put two olives in with a little bit of the brine. Let's keep this basic into what the core of a martini is. Always need cocktail shaker for this, because the key is shaking this. And then we have the old myth with shaken not served, the classic James Bond 007 series, the way it was written in all the books. For me, it is better shaken, not stirred. By shaking it, you're watering it down, and that's when otherwise it's just too strong. I find this with a lot of cocktails, you must always shake as much as you can. Key thing here as well is crushed ice. It's 2 shots of the gin and then half a shot of the Noilly Prat. So just give this a bit of a shake, just let that sort of sit there for a moment, and then we're just going to get the olive. So now we're going to give this a real shake. Really hope that you're enjoying the show, and don't forget to subscribe. And then here we have it. It's not quite clear at the moment because obviously there's a lot of air put into this product through the shaking. There we have the martini. It just as a matter of seconds it will start showing. So really hope you're enjoying the show. Just when you thought you got rid of me, just coming back to this. I've not had one of these for a long time, but this is an absolute classic. You know, the martini and gin is absolutely brilliant. But what's so good about this cocktail is its subtlety. Bringing it back to the core ingredients of the gin and just those botanicals you can really taste. It just goes so well with the Noilly Prat, and Noilly Prat is probably one of the best. Pay a little bit more for this, but it's definitely worth the investment, and obviously Tanqueray wins hands down. Something just to savour and enjoy.